Hello students, here is the question. Here we have the complete combustion of 3 grams of ethane which gives x into 22 power molecules of water. The value of x is. So we have Avogadro number over here, atomic mass of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen is given to us. What we have is that ethane is completely combusted to give us x in 22 power molecules of water. So the combustion of C2H6 has the reaction as C2H6 plus oxygen. As you know, combustion is reacting it with oxygen, giving us complete combustion, meaning all the atoms of C2H6 is converted to carbon dioxide in water. So the total for carbon dioxide stoichiometry is 2 and water is 3. Now we have 3 grams of C2H6 and we know the molecular weight of C2H6 is 24 plus 6 becoming 30. So we have in total zero point 0.1 moles of C2H6 in the reactant, and we know that zero point 0.1 mole are completely combusted. So zero point 0.1 moles of C2H6, if we look at the stoichiometry, 1 mole of C2H6 gives us 3 moles of water. So zero point 0.1 moles will give us 3 into zero point 0.1 moles of water, correct? So if we have that, we have the total molecules or moles of water as 0.3. So zero point 0.3 moles of water are present to us. And if we know that zero point 0.3 moles is zero point 0.3 into Avogadro number of molecules of water. So if we multiply with the Avogadro number, we have 1.8069 into 10 raised to 23. And if we take the 10 multiplied, we get 18.069 into 10 raised to 22. So we are asked to round it up to the nearest integer. The answer comes out to be 18. Thank you.